Tower, good morning, Allegiant 2601, ILS, 33 left.
2601 BOS TWR, good morning, runway 33 left, continue 1 or 2 departures prior to you.
Continue, Allegiant 2601. Tower, Allegiant 2601, we need to go around and shoot a problem.
Allegiant 2601, fly the runway heading and climb and maintain 3000.
Runway heading to 3000, Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601, turn left heading 290 for now.
Heading 290, Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601, turn left heading 240, maintain 3000, contact Boston departure 133.0.
Heading 240, 3000, say the frequency again?
133.0.
33.0, Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601 Boston.
Go ahead for Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601 Boston departure radar contact, climb maintain 4000.
4000, Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601, how long do you think you'll need to troubleshoot?
Say again for Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601, how long do you think you'll need to troubleshoot?
10 minutes possibly for Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601, right?
Approach, Allegiant 2601.
Allegiant 2601 Boss, go ahead.
Hey, we have to declare an emergency. We have 160 souls on board, 4,500 pounds of fuel. We have a right main landing gear indication that it is not down and locked.
Allegiant 2601, roger. And do you want to return to the airport at this time?
That's affirmative.
Allegiant 2601, turn left turn heading 150.
Left turn heading 150, Allegiant 2601. Approach, Allegiant 2601.
Go ahead.
We're not going to be able to move once we land on the runway. We're going to need the trucks rolled.
Allegiant 2601, roger. We will notify.
All right, Allegiant 2601, runway 33 left, clear to land.
33 left, cleared to land, Allegiant 2601.
2601, appears that your gear is down.
Allegiant 2601, thanks, sir.
2601, appears you have smoke when you landed. Are you need assistance right now?
Not at the moment, Allegiant 2601.
For all the aircraft waiting in line, the previous aircraft flew a tire on the runway, so they are disabled on the runway. So we're coordinating work out another departure runway. Just everybody hold position there.
Hey, can we have CFR do a drive-by on the aircraft right side and just see if there's any smoke?
Allegiant 2601, affirmative. Engine 5, you're on the right side of the aircraft right now. Can you see if there's any smoke on that side? And Allegiant 2601, did you hear that?
We did hear that. We would prefer air stairs from the normal departure door if CFR thinks that looks safe.
Logan 2 to man. The pilot says they'd prefer the air stairs on the normal door if that feels safe to you.
Roger, stand by. Do not open it until I give you the all clear. CFR has their air stairs next to the aircraft. We're going to have a bunch of people deplaning. We're going to need escort to the terminal for the safety of the passengers.
We will take care of you, sir.
Thank you.